We have been using the Adobe Illustrator software for our graphic work for many years now, and it's a really good software. Unfortunately, we're not able to use it anymore, so we've started exploring options, and one that we found was called Inkscape. It's open source software, which means it's completely free to use. It's a bunch of people put the software together and keep it updated, and you can use the entire software package for free. And so far, from the reviews and the tutorials I've seen, it seems pretty powerful. So the first thing we did is remove the Adobe software, and just for reference, that freed up about 13 gigabytes of space on the hard drive. I installed the Inkscape, this one that we're drawing in, and the OpenShot, the video editor that we're recording this all in, and those only lost a gigabyte, so much smaller software packages. They seem to be fairly useful as we draw the dog here into a vector graphic and then save it. The Inkscape seemed to work really well. There's a couple of glitches with the OpenShot, but we'll explore both of these software packages in future videos here. We'll do some of our projects live online in an open hangout, so anyone who's interested in joining those workshops, feel free. If you have any questions, let us know, and we'll explore this new software together and experience that learning curve as a group, so hopefully we can inspire more people to get their Second Amendment projects up and out to the internet using these free software options that are available to us. So we want to appreciate everyone who supports our projects and encourage you to stay tuned for lots more. Thanks for watching.